Hi, I'm Christina Heidick with PTO Answers, and today we are going to be talking about if your group needs to start having debates. Now, this question actually came to me. It wasn't exactly a question, but it was a follow-up to the video about a very divided PTO and like how to get things back on track. I followed up with the reader, let her know about the video, and she said that she did in fact apply for 3 different positions, and that the powers that be in her group were actually looking to have debates. And she kind of wondered what I thought about that. So I have, again, a very strong opinion about this. And I just think, like, are you crazy? Like, why would you want to have debates? That just seems to be setting people up in an adversarial position where feelings are going to get hurt. And it really is not going to help the voters decide who is the better fit. Truth be told, everybody should, I should say, truth be told, there are very few things that people are not suited for. Like, for example, I would never be good as a treasurer because I have big time trouble with like simple math. Like, it is kind of embarrassing, but the older I get, I just own it and I say, look, you do not want me to do this because, like I said, just not good. But everything else I probably could do. So and that's the truth for most PTO positions. Like, most people, as long as they're going to be responsive to emails, that they communicate well, that they just have their life together where they're not slacking, they are coming through with what they say they're going to do. So they're accountable, and that you can really count on them to come through and do what they say that they are going to do, then they should be able to really slide into any position, with maybe the treasurer position accepted or as an exception, just because that requires a kind of a different skill set than most PTO positions do. So I just think it might sound good, but I just think like that's like a kind of a control trippy thing for leaders to insist, and I just think it would leave a bad taste in so many people's mouths, and it just turns it into a competition when really it shouldn't be a competition. We are all in this together. Like, everybody should have the same goal of making their school a better place so their kids can be happier, do extra things for their kids, so the teachers are happier, and so that ultimately it makes the parents happier. So it's not exactly altruistic, but everybody should kind of have those same goals. And if they're in it because they are just power hungry, I don't really know. I think it's kind of sad if someone views PTO or PTA as a power position. I'm too old for that to really care. But I just think it's kind of sad. So, long story, or just, I guess, to sum up what I was saying, just stay clear of the debates. I just think it's a bad idea and also totally unnecessary. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I would encourage you to do so that you can get alerted to when I upload new videos, which is kind of all the time. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.